Stop scrolling if you want your faceless YouTube channel to explode with exponential growth. Have you ever imagined the power of partnerships without ever showing your face? Well, brace yourself, because today we're diving deep into the art of leveraging face-off partnerships, a tactic so effective yet so underutilized. Imagine building an empire of connections while maintaining the enigmatic charm of a faceless creator. Curious? Let's unravel this captivating mystery together. Meet Alex, a techno genius and gaming enthusiast whose claim to YouTube fame was branching out into faceless tech reviews. Alex knew the exhaustive grind of crafting content alone, only to stare at stagnant view counts. But Alex discovered an unconventional strategy that changed everything, approaching popular channels with face-off collaborations. Alex reached out to Maya, a lifestyle vlogger with a penchant for gadget hauls, different genres but with an overlapping audience base. An unlikely alliance? Indeed. Therefore, what Alex orchestrated was a strategic exchange, where Maya featured the latest tech in her swirling, aesthetically pleasing videos. And in return, Alex highlighted her channel through clever voiceovers divulging tech secrets that captivated audiences searching for Maya's vibrant aura. You might be wondering, so what? What's the real gold mine here? The collaboration between these seemingly unrelated channels forged a cross-promotional ecosystem. Each creator brought a distinct, dedicated audience to the table. Viewers interested in Maya's gadget reviews suddenly found themselves tantalized by Alex's insightful breakdowns, a dive into the intricacies of each gadget through an analytical lens. But with Alex's growing influence, and Maya's own audience enchanted, a new trend began: the rise of faceless tech lifestyle reviews. Therefore, imagine this. You're a faceless creator skilled in animation, storytelling, or commentary, whatever your special niche may be. The power to connect, collaborate, and conquer new realms awaits, hand in hand with creators from entirely different niches, whose audiences are equally eager for fresh content. Picture the possibilities. An educational faceless explainer channel dives into myths and legends by partnering with a lifestyle channel celebrating home decor influenced by ancient symbols. Who would have thought such a match was possible? Yet, it is precisely these contrasts that captivate audiences, introducing them to a fresh perspective. So, how can you emulate Alex's success? Firstly, identify creators with overlapping interests or complementary content. Research, engage, and propose a win-win collaboration idea, a compelling reason why their audience will relish your insights. Be the creator who can capture their attention with a persuasive proposal. It's not about competition. It's about creating a synergy, amplifying both brands through the art of storytelling and the mystery of anonymity. Now, let's delve deeper into practical execution strategies. The key lies in transparency and communication. Arrange virtual meetings where you, even faceless, can constructively brainstorm ideas, an exchange of expertise, insights, and enthusiasm. High-quality collaboration videos typically blossom from mutual understanding and respect. You might script a dual project, voiceovers exchanged, shared storytelling arcs, or hosting a themed content week that both channels participate in. But wait, isn't there a risk of losing your unique brand voice? The beauty of face-off collaborations is their boundless creativity. Encourage a blended approach, your voiceover on their channel, their cameo soundbites enhancing yours. Even invent joint character avatars. For instance, Alex and Maya personalized their interactions with viewers through animated personas that conveyed real-time reactions of enjoyment and discovery. But then again, isn't the anonymous nature of a faceless channel a hurdle? On the contrary, it's your superpower. It opens doors to versatility, given there's no definitive face tied to a specific thematic structure limiting your creative partnerships. Flexibility to pivot and adapt makes faceless channels incredibly appealing to a wide array of content creators eager for novelty. As we journey toward the end of this captivating tale, imagine the transformative potential. When both parties promote the collaboration across social media, redirecting traffic, significantly elevating visibility, harnessing a newfound audience not through visibility, but audibility, through ideas and relations intertwined across digital spaces. So, dare to initiate these partnerships. Allow your content to ripple far beyond initial reach. The dynamics of faceless collaborations hold untold promises, not mere stepping stones, but a ladder toward unprecedented growth. Remember Alex's story, the hidden key that unlocked Maya's world, reaching audiences they never imagined. Let it be an inspirational beacon as you embark on your own face-off partnership journey. Therefore, are you ready to defy conventions, broaden your horizons, and let your faceless empire flourish? And that, dear creators, begs the question: who is the next unexpected partner capable of catalyzing your channel's success? What partnership awaits that will redefine your trajectory? Tune in next time to unveil more secrets and strategies that push the boundaries of faceless YouTube mastery.